Hello, welcome to NextMeds. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button for daily videos about health, nutrition, and disease-related videos. Cancer is a complex group of diseases characterized by the uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells in the body. Normal cells in the body grow, divide, and die in a regulated manner. However, cancer cells lose this ability to regulate their growth and proliferation. Instead, they continue to divide and accumulate, forming tumors or invading nearby tissues and organs. While no single food can prevent cancer on its own, a balanced diet rich in various nutrients and antioxidants can contribute to overall health and potentially reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Here are 5 foods that are often highlighted for their potential anti-cancer properties. Number 1 is cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and kale are rich in compounds like sulforaphane and glucosinolates, which have been associated with a lower risk of certain cancers, including lung, colorectal, breast, and prostate cancers. Number 2 is berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, flavonoids, and vitamin C, which may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, potentially lowering the risk of cancer. Number 3 is garlic. Garlic contains organosulfur compounds like allicin, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest that garlic consumption may be associated with a reduced risk of several types of cancer, including stomach, colorectal, and prostate cancers. Number 4 is green tea. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, particularly catechins like epigallocatechin gallate, which possess potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Some research suggests that regular consumption of green tea may help lower the risk of certain cancers, such as breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. The final one is turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been studied for its potential role in cancer prevention and treatment, with research suggesting that it may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and prevent the spread of tumors, particularly in cancers like colorectal, breast, prostate, and pancreatic cancers. It's important to note that while these foods may have potential anti-cancer properties, maintaining a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats is key for overall health and cancer prevention. Additionally, lifestyle factors such as regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, avoiding tobacco, limiting alcohol consumption, and practicing sun safety also play important roles in reducing the risk of cancer. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and recommendations. Thank you for watching NextMeds. Please like and subscribe for daily videos about health, nutrition, and diseases.